What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're going to do today is go over Monday's game plan and levels that you need to look out for, whether you're thinking about riding this thing back up or going back down. So let's go ahead and dive into it. What we're going to do is check and see if we got anything that'll move the market on Monday. And as you see, we got one thing at 8:30, but forget all that. We know all eyes will be on Fed Chair Powell at noon. Guys, if you're going to get into a play, I suggest you be out of that play somewhere around 11:50, because we know 5-10 minutes before Powell gets ready to take the podium or he gets ready to start speaking, the market goes crazy, and you don't want to have nothing to do with that right there. So I suggest waiting for better setups, waiting for the market to digest whatever it is he has to say, and then pick what direction you want to go into. We're going to go ahead and jump right into our first ticker. First ticker that we're going to play with is the SPY. So if you go to the SPY, you see right here, I'm looking at a level somewhere around 560.85. If bulls can start closing above 560.85, that'll give them a run up to about 561.83. 85, if you will, if you want to round it. And if they can hold there, they can start climbing back up 562.55 and higher after that. Start touching those highs again. Two sides to every story. Bears always got a case in this. As you see, they pulled this thing all the way back on Friday afternoon. Their tail of the tape will start at 558.95. I want to see if Bears can start showing strength right there. If they can push that sucker all the way down to my next level, sitting at 557.55. Take that out. Got another level sitting down here at 555.55 and so forth. We'll play it level to level once we get to those areas right there. But right now, those are short-term levels of interest to respect, to kind of keep on your radar. Let's go ahead and jump right into Tesla. Okay, so Tesla closed at 248.35-ish. Levels that I'm looking at for Tesla to get back to, I'm looking for Tesla to get back to about 250.90 and start breaking those levels before they start they trend back to 251.60 and ultimately back to that level last week at 253.30. We start crashing through 253.30. Bulls can start popping this to higher stuff. Get back up to this area in here. So don't guess in these plays right here. Wait for your confirmation. For the downside, I want to see 247.65. If Bears can start cracking through that level right there, they can bring this thing so much farther down. You know, I got a level sitting down at 245.40 and then 242.78. If we can start cracking through there, they can really run this thing back down. You got all this area in here that they can fall back to. I got a level down here at 234.66 if Bears really want to drop this thing. But guys, you know how we do it over here. We play level to level. We respect the level. Once it get to that level, we play the next level down. Let's do another one. We're going to jump into Nvidia. Let's check her out. Okay, so Nvidia, you see they had that pump. They start running real nice, and then they had that last power hour drop back to 128.90. So with the bulls, what I want to see them get back up to this area in here, 131.90, 131.95. They start breaking through there. We got next level up. They can start popping this stuff back up to higher stuff. For the Bears, I want to see the Bears start breaking through at 128.85. If they can start knocking through those levels, we can start coming back a little farther. I got another level sitting down at 127.46, I think I had, and 127.15. If Bears can start breaking through at 127.15, it's going to be a red day in Tesla. They're going to smack that thing to lower levels, which is going to give you an opportunity to load up in Nvidia. They start breaking through that, you're going to start seeing levels at 123, 120, 117. Buy. hold, 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 hold. I'm not talking about buying calls. I'm not talking about buying puts. I'm talking about buying shares. These are going to be worth some money. Watch and see. So when you see those levels, you just go ahead and start buying. Let's jump into another one. Let's see, AMD. Let's see what AMD is about. All right, so with AMD, you see a familiar pattern. Everything ran up, and then at power hour, boom, dropped everything back down. So AMD is sitting at 181.58, close that. So what I want to see with AMD, they kind of scared me because they crossed through one of my levels right here and tried to make a run to another one. They lose 180.40. Man, bye-bye AMD. AMD got all this. You can have a potential falling knife type of action if they lose that spot right there. We can come back down to 176. I want to see bulls start taking back over 184.10. If they can start crashing through 184.10, then they can start that run back up. Actually, I have another level sitting at 182.80. If they can start breaking through there and start holding above that, they can make that trip back up north. Let's do one more that everybody is on. Let me see if I got it in here. XOM, Exxon Mobil. So Exxon Mobil took a different pattern throughout the day. As you can see, they was kind of up and down, up and down. It was a kind of roller coaster ride with them. So you see, they ran all the way up. They got all the way up to 113.65. Bear said negative. Boom! Smacked them all the way back down. Boom! Dropped all the way back down. They brought it all the way back down to 113 even. So what I want to see with Exxon Mobil, I want to see if bears can hold 113. If they can hold 113, you're going to start seeing them pull back to 112.80. And then you're going to start seeing them go lower from that point. I want to see the bulls get back to 113.65. If they can get back to 113.65, they can start popping this thing higher to the higher numbers. They got a lot of room to run too. So again, guys, don't get in the first green candle that you see and thinking that that's going to be a profitable play. Don't get in the first red candle you see thinking that it's going to drop real low and you're going to make a whole lot of money there. Wait for confirmation. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. But hey, if you like this kind of content, do me a favor, hit that like button below, subscribe to our channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you can be notified. And if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic TA breakdowns on your favorite tickers, SPY, Tesla, AMD, Nvidia, go ahead and jump into our Discord. Link is listed in the description below. And hey, you already know we're grinding. Good luck out there. Let's get it. Boom.